Google Sheets just got smarter, like way smarter. And if you're just using it for rows and formulas, probably you are missing out on something. Today I'll show you 5 such AI powered features inside Google Sheets that most people don't even know exist. They can literally save your hours and make your spreadsheet look like next level. So without wasting any time, let's get started. We'll start off with the first feature called Smart Fill. You can literally start typing a pattern and Sheets literally predict the rest. Kind of like a autocomplete type feature. It can extract names, reformat dates, clean up my emails all without formulas. Seriously, it's a underrated thing for day-to-day work. For example, over here I have my customer name as Gaurav S, Atharva A, Bhavesh K. Now I want to segregate this into a first name and last name. So I'll start off with writing the first name. So let's say Gaurav and last name as S. I'll start typing the name and it will recognize that pattern. So I'll start writing Atharv and A. Now from third row onwards, I'll just write Control Shift Y. And you can see Google Sheets have automatically computed all the first names in this customer name column. I'll do this for the last name as well. Control Shift Y. And you can see all my last names are copied over here. Isn't it amazing? We have formula suggestions. Now start typing something like is equal to after your data, and Google Sheet doesn't need an autocomplete. It actually suggests the entire formula based on what you're trying to do. Now here I have noted down a couple of products and I have mentioned their sale value. Now when I hit enter is equal to, it will automatically suggest me what aggregation I should use. So in this case it suggests me I should take a sum of all these values. I'll just quickly hit tab and I have got my value. Now in this case, I have students and I have their marks basically. So I have a couple of students over here and their corresponding marks. Now in this case, when I hit is equal to, it will automatically suggest that I should take an average of these marks. And I've got a value. So basically, it can even go to calculating averages or even writing your basic if-else statements. It reads your whole context and helps you finish faster. No more googling formulas or second guessing syntax. The AI just fills in for you. We have built-in translation powered by Google's own AI. Do you know you can translate text right away inside our spreadsheet? You can just use Google Translate function. Now in this case, I have two texts in Hindi like "आप कैसे हो" and "like करें and subscribe करें," which you should definitely do. So I can just use Google Translate function over here. I can just type Google Translate and select the text which I want to translate. In this case, the first text, and hit enter. You can see it automatically analyzes the language which is typed in and it automatically translates to English. I can just pull this below and you can see it has translated to how are you and like it and subscribe it. At number 4, we have smart chart suggestions. Normally, picking up right chart can feel like a trial and error, but now Google Sheet automatically recommends the best chart type based on the data you select. Now, I have product data and I have sales. So what you can do is you can directly select the whole data, go to insert and just click on this chart option and it automatically suggests you the best charts. And the best part, you can also change the chart type over. Let's say I'm more inclined towards the bar charts. I can just click bar chart and you can see my charts are ready. The most amazing feature up till now is AI integrations inside Sheet using Chat GPT. Yes, you can literally bring Chat GPT into your spreadsheet with an add-on called GPT for Sheets and Docs. So I have selected whole of my data like product and sales. I've used prompt like is equal to GPT. I've selected the whole data and gave it a prompt like give me a product with most sales. Once you hit enter, you can get the whole analysis of your data. But now where can I get this prompt? Where can I get that extension? So for that, you need to click on extension. You need to click on add-on and get add-ons. Now here you can get a plethora of add-ons which you can integrate with your Google Sheets. So I'll just quickly type as GPT and you can get an option for GPT for Sheets and Docs. Select that. And here you can select GPT for slides and docs, and also GPT for sheets and documents. So you can just click on that and install. Once you install, you can just type that prompt and you can get all the results what you want. So those were 5 such AI powered features in Google Sheets that can seriously help you level up your workflow in 2025. Some of these are super underrated, but once you start using them, you won't go back. If you found this helpful, go ahead, like this video and subscribe for more such tech data tools, and let me know in the comments which feature surprised you the most. And hey, if you want me to share this exact Google Sheet with all the examples I showed, just drop a comment below and I'll send you right away. Thanks for watching and see you next time.